Can you speak English? English? Little bit. Little bit.
Poquito. Recuerdas al licenciado. Ay, ¿cómo?
Where are you from?
I'm from Peru.
Are you from Peru?
Platicando mi...
Peru. Are you from Peru?
Sí.
Oh, right. This is your country, Peru. This is your country, Peru. Yeah. Really?
Sí.
Are you from Lima? Are you from your capital city, Lima? Lima, your capital city. Peru, capital city, Lima.
La capital de Perú sí es Lima.
Actually, you look like Bangladeshi. At first, I have connected you. At the meantime, I have understood that you look like Bangladeshi. Your appearance look like Bangladeshi. But I have cleared that you are Peru. Can you speak English? English? Little bit.
Poquito.
Are you a student or do you study? Student. Are you a student? Study? In your school, college, university?
Sí.
School, college or university?
Ya, ¿cuál es mi universidad? ¿Recuerdas al licenciado? Ay, no.
Oh, okay.
Ya.
What time is it now in Peru? Time. What time right now?
No, o sea, ay, no. 9 p.m.
9 p.m. at night. At night, 9 p.m.
Noche,
Night. But here in our country, Bangladesh.
9 de la noche.
Here in your country, Bangladesh, just early in the morning, 8 a.m. early in the morning. Actually, how strange this world.
8 a.m., 8 de la mañana, morning.
The sun rays.
Morning.
This sun rays on the head. I am out in the home. I am out of home. Really?
Tú estás en tu casa.
Yeah. Already I have followed you. Follow me. Instant follow me. Follow.
Ya, te sigo. Ya.
Oh, actually, what is your name? Your name?
Ángela.
Anthila.
Ángela. My name is Ángela.
Just this is Zakaria Hossain.
Ay, ¿cómo se pronuncia? Years old.
Oh.
Ay, ¿cómo?
Actually, do you speak Spanish language or Portuguese? Portuguese language, do you speak? Spanish or Portuguese?
No, Spanish.
Spanish. Yeah, okay. Will you teach me Spanish language? Will you teach me Spanish language? Will you teach me Spanish language? I am very interested to learn from you. Spanish.
Español. Ya, que yo te enseño español.
Yeah, right. Just
Ya, sí.
the English sentence, how are you? This sentence, how do you say in Spanish language? How are you? Spanish.
¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás?
I'm okay.
¿Cómo estás? I'm okay. Yeah.
Estoy bien. Estoy bien.
Okay, just how old are you? Your age. How old are you? Age.
Mi inglés básico no me permite.
I'm 30 years old. 30. I'm 30. I'm 30. 30. My age. And you? You?
Ya.
You?
25.
25. 25. Okay.
Sí.
Actually,
No sé de qué más.
how far is Amazon rainforest? Amazon rainforest from how far? Amazon rainforest